Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and on this video we are going to learn how to create a custom header using the OceanWP theme and the Elementor page builder. First, we need to go to the sidebar to the left and go to Theme panel and select My Library. Then we are going to the top and click on Add New. Now we are going to give our custom header a name. We are going to choose custom header. Then we are going to the post attributes and we are going to use the Elementor full white. And then we are going to header, we are going to disable the top bar, and on title we are going to disable that as well. Then we are going to click on edit with Elementor. And here we are on the Elementor dashboard. We are going to click on the plus symbol to add a new section. We are going to select a true raw section. Then we are going to choose in the layout to stretch this section. Then we are going to add a color background by going to style background type classic, and we are going to add a color to it, and then we are going to advance padding and we are going to add a 50 overall pixels so you have some more body. Now we are going to click on the widgets button, and on the search bar we are going to add a menu, custom menu in this case, and we can select all the menus we have created so far. We are going to select our main menu, and then we are going to add on the other section a search bar like so. So we have created our custom header. Now we are going to publish it by clicking on the lower left button like this. Then we are going to exit the Elementor dashboard. We are going to the hamburger menu and click on exit to dashboard. Then we are going to pages, all the pages, and now we are going to select the page where we want to add our custom header. In this case we are going to use the home page as usual. We are going to click on edit, and we scroll down to the theme settings and we are going to select header, custom header, and we are going to choose our template. Normally it might begin here on the default, but we need to scroll down a bit. Custom header and template, we can select all the templates we have created so far. In this case we are going to choose the custom header, and we are going to click on the update, and then we are going to see how it looks. And here it is. Our custom header has overwritten the previous one only on the home page. That is the case, and that it is we have created a header, our custom header, in an easy and simple manner using the OceanWP theme and the Elementor page builder. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Paletech.